Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Snapchat support code SS06. This usually happens when Snapchat temporarily locks your account or detects unusual activity. Let's get started. So first, this error often happens if Snapchat detects too many login attempts. So wait for 24 to 48 hours before trying to log in again. Avoid logging in multiple times because that can make lock last longer. After that, you need to make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile network. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that fixes the problem. After that, launch your Snapchat application and then log in to your account. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon, then simply select settings like icon right over here. Inside here, scroll below, then simply tap on clear data right over here, and now tap on clear cache. Tap on clear again. After that, you need to go ahead and simply tap on OK and your Snapchat will restart. And after you do that, you need to go ahead and simply reset your password. On the Snapchat login screen, simply tap on Forgot Your Password and reset it using your email or phone number. A new password can sometimes lift the temporary block. And if you're still having issues, you need to go ahead and simply open up a browser and then in the search bar, simply search for help.snapchat.com. Just like that inside here, scroll below, then tap on Contact Us. Now simply select I cannot access my account. And inside here, simply tap on I see an error message when I log in. Simply tap on Yes. And scroll below. Inside here, you need to go ahead and simply follow the on-screen instruction and describe the issue with code SS06. And that is simply how you can fix Snapchat support code SS06 and get back into your account. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.